And now we need to determine if the market is strong or weak. We need to determine if we're currently strong or weak. And we need to know that because we only want to take a short trade when the market is signaling weakness, and we only want to take a long signal when the market is signaling strength. Now, in the book and video set, the Archimedes principle, the principle of volume, we talk about how you use the volume and the MFI indicator in addition to the price pattern to determine if the market is strong or weak. For instance, right now, and by the way, we will determine strength or weakness on a bar by bar basis, as well as on a swing basis. And the first thing we want to look at is the price pattern. And right here we see that the last bar, which is this bar here, closed strong. The price pattern was strong. And in Archimedes video 14, we tell you what type of bar this is and why this bar signals strength in the market whenever you see this type of bar. So now at the end of this bar we have a pattern or pattern strength, and we're showing strength right at resistance. So as of right now, if we were to look at the market as far as strength or weakness just based on the close of this bar, we would predict that price would break above this level here, this level of resistance, which is the range of the high and the low of the bar that made the high. But now that pattern strength has to be confirmed, and it needs to be confirmed by volume. We need volume to support the price move, to make the move realistic and fall within certain universal laws that we would expect everything to operate by. So let's zoom out a little so we can see a little better. And we're looking at the volume here, and when we see strength in the bar, the price bar, we want to confirm the strength or weakness with the volume. And this is why in the Archimedes principle, in the book and the videos, you will learn why, and you will learn how to analyze if the market is moving up on strength or weakness, because you only want to trade in the direction of strength or weakness. And you'll be learning how to use the price pattern, the price bar pattern, along with the volume pattern, and then you will confirm that with what's called the MFI, or a market facilitator index. So you will be learning how to use the price volume spread, and that's the relationship between price and volume, and confirming the price volume spread with the market facilitator index, or the MFI index. Now what the volume tells you is if the force or the amount of buying or selling is supporting the move on the chart on an each individual bar basis. And what the MFI tells you is who is responsible for the move. And knowing who is responsible for the move also is a big determining factor in strength or weakness. And now, for example, using our combination of pattern, volume, and MFI, the market is telling us some things here. It's telling us that at the close of this bar is testing resistance, and it's not testing on strength, it's testing on weakness. So the price volume spread tells us here that the market is testing on weakness, and it also is telling us that there was not a lot of participation in this bar, meaning that both sides, the bulls and the bears, pretty much took a break on this bar. So that also tells us that there's further weakness coming within this bar. And in addition, what these three things have told me is that price is losing steam right at resistance. We want to see price gaining steam. When you want to run through a wall, you want to run through resistance, you want to pick up speed, you want to accelerate into it so that you can break through it. And right now we're showing signs of deceleration here. So definitely we're not thinking going long here, and since we see a sign of weakness here, we want to see another sign of weakness on the next bar. If we see a confirming sign of weakness, that will put us on high alert to start looking for a reversal. Not that the market is ripe yet, but it will put us on alert. So let's see what the close of this next bar will tell us.